Jamie Oliver is a renowned English chef, restaurateur, and media personality. He was born on May 27, 1975, in Clavering, Essex, England. Oliver is best known for his approachable and energetic cooking style, as well as his efforts to promote healthy eating and improve school meals. Oliver's culinary journey began at the age of 16, when he left school to attend Westminster Catering College in London. He then went on to work in various kitchens, including the prestigious River Cafe, where he honed his skills and developed a passion for fresh, seasonal ingredients. In 1999, Oliver gained nationwide recognition after appearing on the BBC show, The Naked Chef. The show was a huge success and helped launch his career as a television personality. Over the years, Oliver has appeared on numerous cooking shows and has published many best-selling cookbooks. In addition to his television and publishing success, Oliver is also known for his activism in the areas of food and nutrition. He has been a vocal advocate for healthier school meals and has worked to raise awareness about the dangers of processed food. In 2005, he launched a campaign to improve school meals in the UK, which led to the introduction of new nutritional standards for school lunches. Oliver has received numerous accolades for his work, including several awards and honors. He has been honored with an MBE, Member of the Order of the British Empire, for his services to the hospitality industry and has also been named a Food Hero by the Observer Food Monthly Awards. Today, Oliver continues to be one of the most recognizable and influential figures in the culinary world. Through his cooking, writing, and activism, he has inspired millions of people around the world to embrace fresh, healthy, and delicious food.